Well, hello there everyone. I'm Christy and welcome to my kitchen. I'm so glad that you're joining me today. But if you happen to be new here to my channel, I share delicious recipes every single Monday and Thursday. So I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. And if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. But what I'm making today is so easy. It is a delicious Alice Springs baked chicken. Yeah, I've got my ingredients here on my counter. I'm just going to go over those with you as I make it, but I will leave you the full recipe in the description box below so that you can go check it out later. But we've got to get started because it's that time to get cooking. All right, so what I have here is 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and as you can see, they're rather large. So if you needed to make this meal go a little bit further, feed more people, you could always slice those chicken breasts in half. I'm going to just keep them whole today, but I just wanted to share with you that option, that little tip. All right, so I'm going to season both sides with some salt and pepper. Okay, so next I'm going to make a super simple honey mustard sauce to pour over the chicken. All right, so I have about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. And to that I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of a stone ground mustard and 2 tablespoons of honey. All right, give this a mix. If you don't want to use the stone ground mustard, you could use any mustard you like, whether it's a spicy brown, yellow. All right, then I'm just going to pour this sauce over top of my chicken. Okay, then I'm going to bake my chicken in a 375-degree oven for 30 minutes, uncovered. All right, so next, while my chicken is in the oven, I'm going to cook up 6 slices of bacon. Now you can fry up this bacon whole and then cut it into pieces, but I just prefer to cut it before I fry it. All right, so once your bacon is crisp, just remove it. And I'm placing it on a paper towel. All right, so my bacon is done. It's nice and crispy. So I'm going to slice a small yellow onion. All right, so I'm going to add my onion to the skillet I fried the bacon in. And I'm just going to let this cook until the onions become tender. You could also add some sliced mushrooms. I just have some anti-mushroom people in my house. All right, so I'm just going to turn off the heat, add the bacon back. And this is going to go on top of my chicken. So my timer just went off on my chicken. So I'm just going to pull it out of the oven. And And then I'm going to top it with the bacon and onions and of course cheese. Just going to sprinkle some of the bacon and onions right on top. Right on top of each piece. And then what I had here, I just pulled out of my refrigerator. I had some white cheddar and some regular cheddar, and I'm just mixing them together. But you could also use Colby Jack. But I'm just gonna sprinkle that cheese right on top. Just look at that. All right, so back in the oven it goes for about 10 to 15 minutes until that cheese is melted. Oh man, does this look good. You guys have got to come check it out. And I'm just serving this alongside some steamed broccoli, but mashed potatoes would be good, rice. Yeah, this chicken is so flavorful. I mean, you cannot go wrong with bacon and cheese. All right, well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.